Material level batch will be saying that the combination of material and batch is unique. I will never say that this is batch number 7241. Tell me what was the characteristics. Tell me what is the expiry date. I will not say. I will have to always say it for my material A, batch number 123. You tell me what is the characteristics, what is the expiry date. So always material and batch combination would be unique. The same way we don't say that story location, right? That in INWH story location, what is the stock? We don't say that. We said it in plant 1710 in INWH story location, what is the stock? So plant and S-log combination is unique. The same way, if you maintain at the material level, your material and batch combination would be unique. Whenever you would be creating a program or you need to throw or you need to run a report, you will have to always give the combination of plant, combination of material and batch. Okay, you need to always give a combination of material and batch. Naveth is asking, can we use same batch for material A again in different plant? Not for the client level. Client level, you cannot. So if you will be using for the client level the same batch, if you will be using for the same material, its system would be considering the same characteristics. You cannot change the characteristics. It would be the same characteristics. You cannot say in the plant A, the characteristics is different and plant B characteristics is different. Your question, Naveth, would be more answer when we'll be jumping into the plant level batch. Now here, combination of material and the batch would be unique in the material level. Whenever I would be seeing material plus batch level. Okay, I can have a material A, it can have a batch number 123. I can have a material B, it can have a batch number 123. These both batch number 123 would be completely different from each other. This can have expiry date of 15th of March. This can have expiry date of 20th of March. This can have a pH value of 7.4 and this can have a pH value of 7.2. Okay, it is totally different batches. Whenever you need to check anything, any detail about the batch, you need to always give the material and batch combination. You'll have to always give material and batch combination to check the details of the batch. That is your material level batch. That is the most used batch number strategy, which I have seen. Most of the cases, we try to use the material level batch. What is going to happen with the material level batch when you are transferring it from plant A to plant B? Okay, you are transferring your material A and batch 1, 2, 3, you are transferring it, this combination to plant B. At plant B also, it would be batch A plus 1, 2, 3. It would be going with its characteristics, that it is having expiry date 1503 and it is having a pH value of 7.4. It would be going with its characteristics. If in this plant you change that, no boss, it is not 7.4, it is 7.2. Here also it will change to 7.2. So one plant to another plant, when it will be moving, it would be moving with its own, with the same characteristics, the same batch will be moving it up. That is the material level batch.